Hey guys, it's Jenna G. It's another short video today, and this time it's on my version of a homemade pepper sauce. So to make my pepper sauce, I prefer using the red hot Scotch bonnet peppers, but you can also use any other color that you like or that you get your hands on. I'm also going to be using some shadow benny or culantro, garlic, and vinegar. The first thing I'm going to be doing is removing all the stems from the peppers, and I'm also going to be cutting the shadow benny leaves into smaller pieces to just make it easier to blend up. Then I'm going to add the peppers, the garlic, shadow benny, vinegar to a blender, and I'm just going to blend it all up until it's nice and smooth. The amount of vinegar that you add will depend on how thick or thin you like your pepper sauce, so you can adjust and add accordingly. And believe it or not, easy like that, you have your homemade pepper sauce. So this is one of those recipes or dishes or condiments that, like many others, you can adjust according to your preference. If you want to put more shadow benny or more garlic, feel free to do so. If you want to put the mustard, go ahead and do that as well. You taste and adjust for salt, and basically that is it. What I like to do is empty it into a glass jar, and I usually just keep this out and it stays fine for a while. So this is my version of a homemade Trinidad style pepper sauce. Hope you like it. If you've never made pepper sauce and were just curious as to how to go about making it, try this way. Don't forget to also check out that onion chow video that I posted, another spicy condiment that I absolutely love having with food, and also the roasted coconut chutney video that I also shared. If you guys enjoyed this short video again, thanks as always for watching. I'll see you all in my next one.